Hey guys, it's Broggle 798. This is my bike check. I got ODI long neck grips, Colony bull bars, 8 by 25 with 29.5 width, and we'll jump off remix sim. I got it upside down for a higher rise. Fit Shiv 2 forks, Odyssey Aiken P-Light tires, Salt V2 front rim with animal axle nuts. We the People Justice frame 20.5 top tube with a fit Global Pivotal EP seat, animal seat clamp. We the People post, Colony CC sprocket with mechanic full track chain, animal akimbo cranks with Alienation effect pedals, animal RS rim laced to a profile mini SS hub. Sounds amazing. Kink bottom bracket, Salt headset bearings, and this is my bike. Subscribe, please.